Namaste. Hi kids, how are you all doing? I hope you all are ready for this wonderful combination that I'm bringing to you. So it's like extremely easy, just follow along and give your best shot, okay? So it's just a combination of all these basic steps we have done so far, so that you know, like, you can always come up with your own combination. Feel free, yeah, bring out the best in you. Alright, so in this combination, the first step that we're gonna do is diagonal running. Start with your right leg, left hand. Let's go 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and twice you're running diagonal running man. But then you have to go for shell stem. Then you go cross your arms and out. Okay, so your legs are gonna be right first and left later. So you go 5, 6, 7, and boom, tuck. Get it? 5, 6, cross and up. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Got it? The same way you go back with your diagonal running man. You go cross back, left back, and both hands up. Got it? And then straight after this, you do your stop and go. Cool. So, and then you start with your right leg in here, and you go boom, boom. Alright, now your right hand and left hand, as twice we're doing with the legs. 5, 6, 7, boom, boom. And then you go to your right with T-walk. Alright, then you go boom, boom. Twice. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and boom, tuck, go 1, 2, 3, 4. As soon as you're done with your 4, turn around real quick. So it's like 3, 4, so. And then from here, you go with your right hand, left hand. Then you go boom, boom. And the same thing to your left side. 7, 8. And then from there, you just have to do the running man. But then it's going to be the reverse running man, not the same one. Then you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright? 7 and 8. From there, you go reverse running man. So in reverse running man, you just have to kick your leg and pull it back. Okay, 5, 6, 7, and boom, 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 boom. Get it? A little bit. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1, 2, 3, 4. The opposite hand, just pull it up. Alright, once again, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. You face in front, your right hand is in front already. So what you do is both out, and then here we go crisscross. Yeah, crisscross. 5, 6, 7, and boom, 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 tap, tap, boom, 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 tap, tap. Alright, it's easy. Alright, so after the reverse running man, okay, your right is in front, and then you go left hand, left hand, out in. Again, left hand, left hand, out in. Alright, let's go 5, 6, 7, and boom, 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 boom. Tuck, tuck, and then boom, 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 tuck, tuck. Got it? That's it. So after out in, you go to your left. Again, you just one. And in here, with this one, you have to balance your body. So while your legs are going to your left side, you have to push your upper body to your right side, because it's how it has to look, you know, like you have to show yourself diagonally straight, standing up on the ground, you know. So this is how it will go. For your left side goes first, boom. Okay, 5, 6, 7, and boom. And then to your right, boom. You have to push it further as much as you can. 5, 6, 7, and boom, boom. Alright, so can you see that? It's like just showing it diagonal. 5, 6, 7, and boom, boom. Yeah, that's it. Boom, boom. 5, 6, 7, and boom, boom. And then you can just, you know, like, you can end it with anything. Say boom, boom, and then you can go boom, boom, and then or maybe boom, boom, and then you can go boom, boom, stop. Anything, alright? Alright, so everybody, this is it. Come up with your own combinations, alright? Like, be creative and try and do this combination, and another combinations coming up soon. Thank you so much. This is one and only your Vikram sir. Have fun. Thank you.